Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to create text to video with free AI tool. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial on AI tool. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. If you go to this particular website right here, kingai.com, so it's going to take you to this particular web page. Now on this particular website right here, you can use the features of AI images, AI videos, and AI video editor. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how to text to video in this particular website. But before you can use text to video AI tool on this particular website, you need to create a free account. And for you to create a free account, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on sign in for free credit. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is simply click on sign up for free. They take you right here. Right here, you need to enter your email address. So I'm going to straight up enter my mail address. Just like so. Then I'll move to the next paragraph and then I will enter my password. Then confirm the password. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on next. So at this point here, you need to complete security verification, and for you to do that, you have to drag this parcel right here and make sure it snaps to this particular empty parcel. For you to do that, just make sure you use this slider drag right here, just like so, and make sure it snaps to the exactly parcel, just like so. And in a few seconds, your verification is going to be successful. Verification done successful, and the verification code sent to your mail. Next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my mail. So here's my verification code. I will simply highlight this way. I will right click and I'll make sure I copy. Then I have to go back to the site on registration page. I'll come here. I'll press Ctrl V to paste the code. Then I will click on sign in. That's simple as that. So just like so, you have sign in, and immediately you create a free account. You can see right here, you will be given 66 free credit that you can use to create anything on the site. Now we want to see how we can text to video on this particular AI tool. So for us to do that, we have to navigate to AI videos. Click on that. So just like so, at this point here, you have to come here, simply enter your prompt. So I'm going to paste my prompt right here. A panda play guitar by the lakeside. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on generate, and you are getting this particular video with just 10 credits. And make sure text to video is selected. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on generate right here. So just like so, the video has successfully produced. Next thing you want to do here is to simply click on download right here. Then in a few seconds, your video is going to be successfully downloaded, just like what you see right here. Then we can simply play the video. Just like so, we have the video right here. So basically, this is how to text to video using kingai.com without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about AI tools. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.